What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about arithmetic operators, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to the src folder, go on new class and type in test. Tick this off as well, go to finish and go right to the top, remove all this garbage, and now type in int a equals 10, close that off, int b equals 20, close that off, int c equals 25, close that off, and we can also say int d equals 25 and close that off. Then we can say system outprint control space, click on that. We're going to need this, so we're going to copy and then paste it a few times. So within this I'm going to put in a space plus b and then say equals, and now put in another plus parentheses a plus b. That is closed off, so I can copy this and then we can paste it a few more times and then change the addition to subtraction and then change that to multiplication and then division. So a plus b will give us, the first one will obviously give us 30, so I'm going to copy this, paste it there, and now change the division, not even division, the subtraction to the addition to subtraction, also change that to subtraction. So with this one we will get minus 10 because 10 minus 20 is minus 10. And then we've already copied it, paste it again, and change the subtraction to, I should say multiplication to the addition to a multiplication That will give us 200. And the next one we can paste it again, and this time we can switch a to b and b to a. So a to b and now b to a, and we can change this to division. Okay, and we can also change this. We can just copy this and put it in here, remove that. Okay, that's fine. And this will give us 2. So next line we can say, we can now start putting in the modular sign. So if I get rid of that, copy this again, take it to the next line, copy that again, paste it again. So b modulus a, change that to modulus. That will give us 0 because ten goes into 20 twice, remainder is 0. The next line c modulus a, so if I just put that c in there, change the slash to modulus, do the same thing here. We will get remainder 5 because c is 25 and 10 goes into 25 twice with remainder 5. And now we can look at increment and decrement. So we just paste this here, a plus plus, copy this same thing into here, so copy this again, next line paste it and change this to b minus minus, so b decrement, and also b decrement. We should get 10 and 11. A plus plus gives us 10, b minus minus gives us 11. And now for the next part we will check the differences in d plus plus and plus plus d. So I just comment this and say check the differences in d plus plus and plus plus d, paste, change this to d plus plus, change that to d plus plus 2, next line paste, plus D. So if I remove the A and put a D in there, and remove the A and also put D there, and we should get 25 and then 27. Okay, let me execute this and see what actually happens. Alright, there you go. So we got 30, minus 10, 200, 2, 0, 5, 10, 20, 25, and 27. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.